Hey y'all, welcome to Vast Builds and Big Roads. I'm Sam. Today we're diving into a job nobody really wants to do, but you'll be glad you did. Our Thetford Aria Deluxe 2 started acting up. It's been acting up for quite a while. Wouldn't flush every time, got stuck halfway, not fun at all. I tracked down the issue to a worn out flush valve, and all I did was order the replacement off of Amazon, swapped it out, and it's easier than you think. I'll show you how to do it right without making a mess. So the culprit in all this is this valve right here. It would hang up, and sometimes it would work perfect. Other times it would not work perfect. It also, the water would leak down. It doesn't have any seals or anything around it, but I can see why it would leak down. The seal is cracked, and so it was relatively easy. It was only 5 screws to fix this. Well, actually, the plate that went on it, but anyway, there's 4 here. But what would happen is it would hang and such, or it wouldn't work, and so we'd have to turn this knob that was on the back of it here. Okay. As you can see, the new flush valves all here, all put in, assembled. Here's the back side of it. This knob will open and all. Here's the 2 power leads. So I also had to cut the ground, so I put a tab on there. I fixed that. I'll show you that again maybe. So I'm ready to put this assembly in here now. So I've got this assembly here, and these are push to fit here. I've got the new bowl seal here installed. All that's been washed and stuff real thorough. Some of the stuff just wouldn't come off, but anyway. And I also put one right there. If you can see, that's another seal. It's similar to the one on top to help everything. Here's the new one installed in our Thetford, and it's pretty cool. Tickled to death with its performance and all. So it was quite an easy task when it came right down to it. The caps and stuff down here there's only 2 on each side, 2 electrical connections in the back, and the water line, the supply line. Pulled it up, flipped it over, as I'll show you in some other videos, and basically you saw what I had. I had problems with this one over here on this side. The floor bolt down here, it broke off, but after hitting it and such, I got it broke loose. So, as you notice, we put a bidet in. We love those things. And we also put this sink sprayer in. That's been here for quite a few years. It's great for washing out the commode as it needs around the bowl and so on. And it's come in very, very handy. And that's how you upgrade your RV bathroom in under an hour. Hit that like button if your toilet ever betrays you. And don't forget to subscribe for more RV mods and mayhem. We got a lot of shows that will come up. You might be interested in some. Thank you.